Hello guys, this is Vigyanics Basic Electronics Kit. This kit has been designed in such a way so that a school student or anyone with no prior science education background can enjoy learning fundamentals of electronics while playing with it. This kit teaches application of basic electrical components like resistance, diode, capacitor, transistors, buzzer, musical chip, photosensor, etc. Resistor is an electrical component which is used to reduce the flow of current. LED is light emitting diode. RGB LED produce red, blue, green color. Diode conducts current primarily in one direction. And LDR is light dependent resistor. These are buzzer and music chip. This is NPN transistor and this is PNP transistor. These are capacitors. This is our speaker. This is variable resistor. This is pushback switch. This is our motor with a fan. These are on-off switch and a battery.